Hi, my name's Harvey and I'm from the UK, from England, and I came here to do the 200-hour teaching course, and I've really enjoyed my stay here. It's been quite challenging in some ways, but I think that the teaching here has been really fantastic. It's very thorough and it's very deep. So the teacher, I think, is very professional. It's very professional. The yoga teaching is. I'm not a fan of Ashtanga normally, but I think Ashtanga is really important to my practice, and the Ashtanga teacher here was very good and very professional, and also the same with the Hatha. The Hatha teacher also was very good and very thorough and very professional. And all the staff here at Akshi are very helpful. Everybody's very helpful and very kind, and I've been very happy with my stay here. I think if you haven't got your certificate, your 200-hour certificate, I think for all those people who want to deepen their practice and people who want to go forward and do some teaching, you need to do this. It's really important to have the depth of knowledge and understanding of where this is the place where yoga comes from. It's a spiritual experience, and yoga is more than just asanas. That's what I've discovered. Really, I've discovered that yoga is really a way of life, and it's quite a challenge, but I think it's worth doing if you want to be a yoga teacher.